Welcome students, myself Banibroda Ghosh. Today I learn you an interesting topic how to create and edit a table in Writer document editing software which is a component of LibreOffice package. In this slide you can see the details of the topic. Here is the subtopic which today we going to teach. Okay, initially I say something. In this class I teach everything theoretically and also practically side by side, but as the time is limited I emphasize mainly on practical view rather than slide view. I think it also help you to learn in better way than slide view. I just show you the slide for a few moments, you pause the video and note it down the steps, then you continue it and do it practically. To see, do it practically. Okay, at first we know what is table. The table is a grid of rows and columns that intersect to form cells. Row is the collection of cells in horizontal direction and column is the vertical direction. Okay, let's first we see the creating table in Writer. We can create a table in two ways in Writer software. The first is to insert a table from a toolbar and the second is to insert table with a menu command. Let's see how we create in two ways. At first we want to create a table in this area from table menu. Here is the table menu. Here we can choose the number of rows, number of columns and number of rows of table. Here is the 3 column and 4 rows of table. Okay, this table has 3 column and 4 rows. This is one way by which we can create the table, and another way I go to the table command menu and then insert table. Here is the dialog box where we can select or choose the number of column. Here we choose 4 column and 5 row. You see that this is the table where the table has 4 column and 5 rows. Okay, next, creating table. Okay, inserting row and column in a table. We can insert row and also column in a table in this step. You just follow these steps. I practically show you how we do this. Okay, let's, I want to add a column in this table, so I just select any cell or click my cursor in put on a cell, and then we insert column before after anything. Okay, we see that the number of column is increasing one by one. The number of column becomes 5. In same way we can add row also. Okay, next, now we see how to split and merge tables. Splitting or merging tables means, the split means you can divide or split it a table by number of tables, or, and the merging table means you can merge a number of tables into a single table. Okay, let's see how I do it. Here I go to table menu and at first I select Then I go to table menu and split tables. Okay, here here let's see. Okay, I can split it by two tables. Okay, next, if I want to merge it, I just uh, select toggle formatting marks, and then I delete the space between two tables by delete option. Then I just deactivate the toggle. Okay, then it merge. Okay, next, how to delete a table. These are the steps. Let's we do it in practical. I want to delete this table. At first, I put my cursor on any cell of the table and then go to the table option and delete then table. So you see that the table was deleted. Okay, next, copying a table. These are the steps. Let we go to see the practical. If we want to copy this table, at first we put our cursor on the any cell of the table, then we go to the table menu and we select the whole table. Then I just copy. You can copy it by right clicking and copying it, or you can press the Ctrl C button. Then you want to paste here, you press Ctrl V. You see that I just copy it for here and paste this table in this area. Okay, then the next, we see the next subtopic, that is the moving a table. If we want to moving a table, nothing but a cut paste. Okay, so if you want to cut paste this or move this table, you just similar way, you just put your cursor on any cell of the table and then go to the table option and select the table. Then you press Ctrl X for cut and you want to paste here for Ctrl V. You see that how I move the table. Okay, so students, I finished my today's class. I hope you learn how to make a table or create a table in writer software, and then how to insert rows and columns in a table, and then splitting and merging tables and deleting tables, and then copying tables, and lastly moving a table. Okay, so thank you and God bless you.